Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this one, we're going to talk about how do we invoke the Safari browser. How do we invoke the test cases in the Safari browser? So let's quickly take a look at it. So I have Safari open right now, and here's the link that you guys need to go. The full path is code.google.com/p/selenium/wiki/Safari driver. And if you just type Selenium WebDriver Safari, you should be able to go there. So don't worry about it. So here's the path you need to go. So it's pretty recent that from Selenium 2.45 only, they just made it easy for the Safari browser. Previously there were so many steps like certifications and all those things, but right now it's really easy. So all what you need to do is you just need to install the Safari driver browser extension, and you should be good to go after that. So that's what it just says, that simply open the latest copy of Safari driver.safari extension and click install. And once you do it, it's pretty straightforward, exactly like the Firefox driver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click this Safari driver.safari extz, and it's gonna take me to this page. Right now the latest version is 2.48, and that's what I'm working on right now. So if you guys are on a different version, I would just highly encourage to upgrade, or if you're watching this video after a later version, maybe 2.6, 2.55 or anything, then you're just good to go. So I'm just gonna click on 2.48, and I'm gonna click on this thing, Safari driver.safari extz. There are a lot of different drivers available, Selenium, jars, and all those things. But just click on this. There's iDriver as well. Just click on this, Safari driver.safari extz. And it should ask me for installation, or maybe I should open my download folder and I should be able to find it. So here it says Safari driver.extz, right? So I'm just gonna double click it. I'm gonna say yes, I trust, and it is installed. So right now in the Safari extensions tab, it says WebDriver is there and enabled is checked in, and I have an option to uninstall. So basically I can uninstall it, but right now it's installed. So it's all done. Well and good, all ready to set up, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click this to close the Safari browser, close this thing, and open the Eclipse. So what I'm gonna do right now is open the Firefox driver demo, because we know that it's gonna be exactly similar to the Firefox driver. And instead of opening this, I'm gonna copy it. So copy it, rename it to Safari driver demo, and click OK. And right now let's open this one. So we have the Safari driver demo. What we have is driver created, and we instantiated the driver to Firefox driver. We have a base URL, and we have the driver.get. So driver.get is the method. The get method is available in driver, which is responsible to open up the web application. So here, instead of new Firefox driver, let's change it to new Safari driver. So Safari driver, here is it. So the second option, the first option is just the name of the class that I'm working on. So Safari driver, and I'm just gonna put semicolon up here. So it has imported the Safari driver from arg.openqa.selenium.safari driver. I'm gonna delete this one. So that's pretty much it. So why don't we just go ahead and run this application? So run as, because it's just a Java application right now, right? So run as Java application. And here you go. Safari is opening up, and there it is. So it was pretty quick. So you know what? Let me just go ahead and close it. So instead, what I'm gonna do right now is to show you guys, I'm just gonna reduce the size of Eclipse. Here it is. And now right click, run as Java application. So you guys should be able to see it right now. So yeah, here it is on the back. This is Safari opened up, and here google.com, right? So we can just close it, and I can again increase the size of the window for Eclipse. So here is, it's nothing, it just mentions you that Safari driver command executor start and it's connected and all these things, right? So it's not a, it's just info messages, you can say. It's no error, it's no warning, nothing, it's just info messages. So that's pretty much it actually. So why don't we see the next thing? So we can just actually quit the browser using driver.quit. So this is the method which is responsible to quit the browser when it is open. So in this time when we run it, I am just gonna run it and it's gonna close the browser as well. So I'm gonna say run as Java application. It's gonna open google.com and close it right away. So it just closed it again. So it was pretty quick that we could not even see that it opened and all those things. The browser came up, but we couldn't see that it's properly opening google.com because it just opened and closed it. So just to make it happen for you guys, so I'm just gonna put some sleep time. I'm gonna say wait for 3 seconds, which is 3000 milliseconds, and we're gonna add a throws declaration. So again, one more time, just to make sure that you guys see what's happening. So let's do right click, run as Java application, and we see that google.com opens up. It's gonna wait for a few seconds and close it this time. So that's pretty much it, guys. We kind of achieved what we wanted to do. So we were able to open up Safari browser, and now we're good to write our test cases in Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Safari. And Safari is, in a way, we don't have to set any system properties the way we do in Chrome and Internet Explorer. So we are good to go, just like the Firefox. The only thing is we just need to install the Safari extension. So that's pretty much it, guys. I would just say download the extension, try it on Safari if you have Mac, and give it a try and let me know if you have any questions. So stay tuned for the next lectures, guys. Thanks for learning this one.